How's it going, guys? Just got an order in from aquariumfish.net, San Diego. The package barely warm. Well, I'm guessing that's a Persania. Persania. See if we can get that undone there. Drew my little catfish, or two of them at least. Oh, there's three in there. Little catfish. Yeah, looks like a nice stick catfish, twig catfish. We got three of them in there. You got it? Let's see what. Persona, orange rainbows, kind of cold. Get them in their tanks. But that's pretty much what I got, guys. To put sunny eyes. I think I got 8 of these. Working sunny eyes. You need to get them in some water. But that's what I got. We'll see what they look like in the tank, guys. There's 3 4-willows, 8 Persona eyes, and 3 little catfish. I'll get back to you later if we can get them in the tanks. These are the Persona eye after they've been in the tank for a little bit. Really colored up much. Just been here a little bit. No light on this tank right now. I'm gonna put some plants in it a little bit. But they're all laid in here and they're all swimming, look healthy. Had some bloodworms, seem to be doing good. How's it going, guys? This here is Tiny. Smalls is back over there on the filter. You can see they've been demolishing the snails. He's there somewhere. Checking everything out. Really thin the snails out in this tank. The other one back there just fat as ever, hiding inside the filter there. You can't really see him from here. Well, this is Tiny and Smalls is back there. Seem to be doing really good, guys. Right now I'm just feeding them the snails that are in here. And they get bloodworm every few days. That's just an interruption. The shipping video, my little Fahaka puppers. I don't really think they're mine anymore. I think my wife and kid took them over. Okay, let's get back to looking at the fish that came in. Well, we're going to see these little guys. They're swimming around in this tank. This is my Ansel corridors. There's actually 6 of them in here now. Only one apparently wants to be seen. The other ones are back over here on this side of the tank. I see them swimming around back there. I'm sure everybody will be fine in here. I do have this big female here. That's also an Ansel. She'll be going down in that tank as soon as we get through quarantine. I think I got some more red, Iranian reds coming in. I'm gonna put all my Iranians down here. And here with all the cord cats. They'll be fine in there. The tank really ain't as dirty as it looks. It's just the glass on the front needs to be cleaned. I brought my sponge in here and done it. But that's them. Let's go see if we can find them twig catfish, the farwillows. There's one of them. He's sitting there on a leaf. actually moving. He's alive. He's doing good. He's up there eating algae off that leaf. Gonna get it cleaned up in no time. But there's actually, believe it or not, 2 more in here somewhere. When the water's so green I can't really see them, but I know there's a lot of algae on this tank. I think hopefully they'll eat it off. We'll see what's going on. The tank was just about balanced the other day and I did a water change. It really shot back up green. I should have just left it alone. But what we were here is for the 4 willows. At least we got to see one of them. I'm sure the other ones are in here and happy and healthy. Came in looking really nice. Really active. Focus under green water. He's there, you can see him. That's good enough. At least we know they're in here. I'm really worried about them jumping out or anything. Photo bomb by yellow brain. Cory cats going crazy. Swim up on the side of the tank, but I guess not. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Later, buds. No panda cats are gonna swim around. They're crazy.